Welcome! Let's discuss the subcontractor material supplier declaration business process for the architect. With regard to the architect, the subcontractor supplier declaration business process provides for the submittal, review, and approval of the professional service provider's edge consultants. For the workflow, it's created by the architect or the associate, submitted to the project manager for declaration review, can be returned to the associate if necessary, then sent to the project coordinator for review, and then sent to additional information hold if necessary, and finally, project coordinator validation. To create your subcontractor supplier declaration, we're going to go to Logs, scroll down to Subcontractor Supplier Declaration, and then we're going to click Create. When the new window pops up for you, we're going to click the General tab, and then we'll start to fill out this record. The title of your record should be the name of the company that you're utilizing. Then you can select your professional services agreement if it's available. And over on the right-hand side, we want to know whether or not this subcontractor, supplier, or consultant is Tier 1 to you. If they're a Tier 1 consultant, you can say yes, otherwise say no. Then we're going to scroll down to the Declaration Information section, where we'll choose the type, Consultant. Again, we'll enter the name of the consultant's company, the Federal Tax ID number, the primary officer, which is usually the president of the company. Then we need the address with the city, state, and zip. The contact person can be the same as the primary officer, or it can be a different contact person. Then we need the contact person's phone number. For a fax number, you can type NA, or you can provide the fax number if you have it. And then we'll enter the email address. Finally, in the additional details section, we'll enter the subcontractor purchase order date and the purchase order amount. Over on the right-hand side, we'll choose whether or not this is an edge consultant. If it is an edge consultant, you'll say yes, and then you'll need to enter the edge certification number. If you need to add any attachments, you can choose Add Attachment in Unifier folder to add any documents previously uploaded to Document Manager. When you're ready to send the record forward, we'll click the Action Details tab and note that the workflow action has already been selected and your to box is auto-populated. It's now going to go to the project manager for declaration review. Finally, you can click Send. At the project manager's declaration approval step, they can either return for clarification to request some additional information from the architect, or they can recommend approval, and then it will go on to the project coordinator for validation. At the PC validation step, they will review and validate the record, attach any necessary documentation, and then either return for subcontract attachment if necessary, or go ahead and validate the record. Once the record has been validated, the subcontractor supplier declaration will go to the complete or the end step. Now, that declaration can be added to an agreement or to an amendment. If you have any questions, please contact us at the OCI support desk, occi@ofcc.ohio.gov or 614-644-2211.